You can see the smoke from an active fire up there. It's hard to see it in the sun. This is Highway 1 near Hope, and I'm not sure what the name of this fire is. Make a good point, Grace. And thanks, Nat, by the way, for all that fire info. Oh, I'll drop in now and then in real time. Sometimes by voice, sometimes by text. Just to correct something or better explain something. No, Nat, you did good. But I went in and looked up the word held, in the context of a fire being held. Just let it burn. Plus, like I said, I'm here in real time. It's May 2023 right now. And I'm here to tell you that this year's fire season, it started like, I was going to say gangbusters. But yeah, from here on out, we'll be driving and camping near wildfires past, present, and future. Yeah, well, here's a little taste for you. Hey YouTube, back in voiceover now. It's kind of confusing. I'm doing this in present time, but it's kind of newsworthy right now in May 2023. And we're fleeing, heading north actually, from the Fort John area where the fires have reached. They started in the Alberta area, but they're growing and moving, and we're keeping ahead of them. As you can see, we're going to head up toward Fort Nelson, where we'll take stock of things. But if the fires are well behind us, then I'll probably get back into chronological order, and we'll take it from Hope in September 2022 back down to the lower 48, where we'll spend the winter. Lots of newsworthy stuff down there, too. Here's a taste of what we'll see on the highway, another sort of road hazard.